If you've ever worried about hidden mold in your home, the Got Mold 2-room air test kit makes it incredibly easy to find out what's really in your air. The brand sent me this kit as a gift, and I used it to test both my kitchen and my basement, then placed the control sample outside of my patio. The setup was super simple. You just use their BioVac air sampler, seal everything up, and send it back using the prepaid mailing box. About a week later, I got my results by email, and they were impressively detailed. The report broke down spore counts for every mold type detected, and what I really liked was the easy-to-read meter that instantly tells you whether your levels are normal or if there's a potential problem. What's nice is that you actually get to keep the BioVac testing device, so you can use it again later or even lend it to a friend or neighbor. The company also sells refill kits, so you only need to buy new test cartridges, not the entire setup. And since all lab fees are already included, there are no surprise costs. It's professional quality testing made simple. And after using it, I can see why so many homeowners rely on this kit for peace of mind about their indoor air quality. Check out the link below for current pricing. It is an affiliate link, and any qualifying purchases does help out my channel at no extra cost to you. Thanks again, and I hope you found this video helpful.